Good morning, students. Shubha Vijaya to all. Students, am I audible to you? Yes or no? Huh? Okay. So, okay, Shubha Vijaya to all. So, take out your marigold first of all. Take out your marigold. So, we quickly discuss the syllabus. Okay. You already know that your term 1 is very close, na? So, have you started your learning? Okay. So, take out your marigold. Do you know your syllabus for term 1? Yes or no? No. Till no. Okay. So once again I am repeating term 1 syllabus for marigold. Okay. Unit 1. Unit 1. Good morning, the magic garden. Okay. In unit 1, the two chapters good morning and the magic garden. Come to unit 2. Unit 2. Bird talk, Nina and the baby sparrows. Bird talk, Nina and the baby sparrows. Okay. Then come to unit 3. Unit 3. Come to unit 3. Little by little. Unit 3. Little by little. The enormous turnip. The enormous turnip. Okay. Then unit 4. Sea song. Unit 4. Unit 4. Sea song. A little fish story. Unit 4. Unit 4. Sea song, a little fish story. Okay. Come to unit 5. Unit 5. The balloon man. The balloon man. The yellow butterfly. Unit 5. The balloon man. The yellow butterfly. So from unit 1 to unit 5. Okay. In term 1, from unit 1 to unit 5 will come. Okay. And I have told you one by one, chapter by chapter. Okay. All the chapters name. So all of you have written. Okay. So take out your grammar book. Take out your grammar book. I have told already for marigold. Now take out your grammar book and I am going to tell you the grammar syllabus. All of you have written the grammar marigold syllabus. Okay, now take out your grammar book. the contents page. Take out your contents page. Number 1, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Number 2, the sentence. The sentence. Number 3, asking questions. Asking questions. Number 4, the comma. Number 4, the comma. Number 5, nouns. Number 5, nouns. Okay. Number 6, common and proper. Nouns, common and proper. Chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, nouns, common and proper. Chapter number 7, nouns, singular and plural. Nouns, singular and plural. Chapter number 8, nouns, gender. Chapter number 8, nouns, gender. Chapter number 9, apostrophe S. Apostrophe S. Okay. Then review 1. Come to review 1. Chapter number 10. Add chapter number 10, adjectives. 11, comparisons. Comparisons. Then come to chapter number 12, A and the. A and the. Okay. A and the. Chapter number 13, pronouns. Pronouns. Chapter number 14. Chapter number 14, verbs. Okay, so up to chapter number 14 in your term 1 will come. Okay, up to chapter number 14. Yes. Very good, very good. So all of you, yes. Have you any confusion regarding your syllabus? In both Marigold and grammar, yes or no? Have you any confusion regarding your syllabus? Yes. I have told now already. Then in Marigold from unit 1 to unit 5 will come. Okay. In Marigold from unit 1 to unit 5 will come. Okay. Yes. Okay, now take out your Marigold. Students, we have discussed the syllabus. Now take out your Marigold. We have discussed the syllabus. So take. In Marigold from unit 1 to unit 5 will come, and in grammar from chapter number 1 to chapter number 14 will come. Okay. So take out, students, your Marigold. So today we are going to discuss, actually we are going to yes. From unit 1 to unit 5. Up to yellow butterfly, okay? Yes. Okay, so today we are just revising the chapter The Yellow Butterfly. Okay, so take, very good. So take out the yellow butterfly. The yellow butterfly. Page number 47 na? Page number 47. So what we have seen in yellow butterfly, students? Can you tell? What we have seen in the chapter The Yellow Butterfly. What is the story? Yes. What is the name of the child? What is the name of the child? Sonu. Okay. The name of the child is Sonu. Yes. So, carry on. Carry on. What happened then next? Yes. Yes. Okay, so very good, students. So we have seen now that there was a yellow butterfly in Sonu's garden, and Sonu wanted to catch the butterfly, the yellow butterfly. But repeatedly, one by one, we have seen that he failed in his job. And what was his job? To catch the yellow butterfly. But repeatedly, he was failed. Okay. So then what happened with the butterfly? That the butterfly was caught in a spider's web, and the spider wanted to catch the butterfly because the spider was very hungry. Because the spider was very hungry. But when Sonu ran and see Then what happened when Sonu ran and saw? Then he caught the butterfly to save its life from the spider. Okay. And then Sonu saw that the butterfly was very pretty and the brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. It looked sad in Sonu's hand. Then Sonu realized that. Then Sonu what he realized? The Sonu then realized that the butterfly's happiness was in the open air, not in Sonu's hand. Okay. So then Sonu let the butterfly. Then Sonu flew the butterfly, now, and once again free it. And then the butterfly was very happy. He was flying here and there in the open air. Okay. So the butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So let's students discuss the question answer. Okay. Number 1. Where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? Where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? Okay, flying around in his garden. Number 2. Name 3 places where the butterfly rested. The 3 places are red rose, lotus leaf and a pink flower on peach tree. Okay, number 3. Come to number 3. Why did Sonu chase the butterfly? Okay, so that he could catch it and look at the beautiful butterfly. Number 4. Why did Sonu let the butterfly go? Wanted to see. Sonu wanted to see it happy, so he let it go. Okay. Come to page number 51. Come to page number 51. Make 2 words from one word. We have already done now. So today we are just revising it. Page number 51. Everywhere. Make, yes, the two words are every and where. Inside. Ronak, what happened? In and side. Inside. Okay, very good. Outside. Out and side. Sunlight. Sun and light. So students, we have revised the chapter The Yellow Butterfly now, the question answers. So in the next video, we will revise a poem, The Balloon Man. Okay, The Balloon Man. Okay students, have you any confusion regarding the chapter The Yellow Butterfly? No. You have no any confusion? Ronak? Okay students, then bye. In the next video we will revise the chapter The Balloon Man. Okay, the poem The Balloon Man.